In the rapidly evolving landscape of Dubai's construction industry, building information modeling BIM consultants play a pivotal role in driving innovation and efficiency. Among the leading firms in this domain, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a premier BIM consultancy, offering cutting-edge solutions to the Emirates' burgeoning architectural and engineering sectors. With Dubai's skyline constantly transforming, the demand for sophisticated BIM services has skyrocketed, and SCON Design has positioned itself at the forefront of this technological revolution. The company's expertise spans a wide array of BIM applications, from 3D modeling and clash detection to 4D scheduling and 5D cost estimation, enabling clients to optimize their project life cycles and reduce costly errors. SCON Design's team of highly skilled professionals brings a wealth of experience to Dubai's construction projects, leveraging state-of-the-art software and methodologies to deliver unparalleled results. Their comprehensive approach to BIM consulting encompasses pre-construction planning, design coordination, and post-construction facility management, ensuring a seamless integration of digital technologies throughout the building process. By utilizing advanced BIM tools, SCON Design helps clients visualize complex architectural designs, streamline workflows, and enhance collaboration among various stakeholders, ultimately leading to improved project outcomes and substantial cost savings. In a city known for its architectural marvels and ambitious construction projects, SCON Design's BIM consultancy services have become indispensable for developers, architects, and contractors alike. The firm's portfolio includes an impressive array of projects, ranging from towering skyscrapers and luxury hotels to intricate infrastructure developments, all of which have benefited from their innovative BIM solutions. By offering tailored BIM strategies that align with Dubai's stringent building codes and sustainability goals, SCON Design has established itself as a trusted partner in the region's construction ecosystem. One of the key differentiators of SCON Design's BIM consultancy is their commitment to continuous innovation and adaptation to emerging technologies. As Dubai pushes the boundaries of architectural design and sustainable construction, SCON Design remains at the cutting edge, incorporating the latest advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cloud-based collaboration platforms into their BIM workflows. This forward-thinking approach not only